Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Roadster is one of the finest sports cars of all time. A perfect combination of advanced engineering, elegant styling, and exceptional build quality. Derived from the famous gull wing, the Roadster was an altogether more refined and approachable car, better suited for most drivers, yet extremely capable. Unlike the gull wing, which was relatively standardized, the Roadster was continuously improved through its production run, which lasted from 1957 to 1963. This example, built in 1961, is one of approximately 270 Roadsters that feature four-wheel disc brakes together with the iron block engine. Delivered new to Southern California, this Roadster is among the most desirable, as it was a low-mileage black plate car that has been treated to a comprehensive restoration by well-known 300SL specialists. Restored under the direction of noted Mercedes-Benz collector Dr. Philip Lutfi, this disc brake iron block Roadster is tastefully finished in the attractive color scheme of anthracite over red leather and features desirable accessories such as a factory hardtop, Becker radio, and fitted luggage. Today, this car presents beautifully in all respects and is being offered from a major collection of iconic post-war sports cars. Those in search of a truly outstanding 300SL Roadster would be well advised to pay close attention to this car, an ideally equipped and magnificently presented example.